Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website www.millettable.com. Today I am making Ragi dosa with multiple lentils. So let's see how we can make 1.5 cups of Ragi. This is 1 cup. I have taken 1.5 cups of Ragi. Same measurement, 1.5 cups of Idli rice. Then 1/4 cup each of Masoor Dal, Black Urad Dal and Horsegram, Kodlu. 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, Vendayam. So we will wash all these things and soak together for 5 hours and then grind to fine batter. Ferment it for 6 to 8 hours and then make dosas. After soaking everything together for 5 hours, I grinded to this consistency and added 2.5 teaspoon of salt. I fermented it overnight and now the batter is ready for making dosas. So let's make dosa. The tawa is hot. So our multi-lentil Ragi dosa is ready.